Sawadee. I bet you have heard about Thailand via the crystal clear waters of Phuket Island. The charm of Buddhism with its ancient temples, or Lisa Blackpink, the pop sensation from Thailand.
Blackpink in your area.
Now it's time for us to get to know more about this beautiful country by exploring its language, which is spoken by over 60 million people worldwide. But first, let's dive in and have a listen.
ผมคิดเสมอเลยนะว่า choice ทุก choice มันถูกต้องผมไม่คิดว่า choice ไหนมันผิดไปเลยคือผมไม่เคยคิดว่าแบบถ้าต้องย้อนเวลากลับไปแล้วต้องไปแก้อะไรรู้สึกว่าทุกอย่างมันถูกจัดวางมาอย่างเหมาะสมที่สุดแล้ว
The Thai language belongs to the Tai-Kadai language family, a fascinating and diverse group of languages spoken by millions of people. This family includes languages spoken from Southeast Asia, from the lush landscapes of Thailand to the bustling cities of Vietnam and Laos. Thai's origins can be traced back to ancient southern China, where the early Thai people lived and thrived for centuries. From there, it journeyed south with the Thai people who migrated over time, bringing their language and culture with them. The Thai script, as we know it today, is derived from the Old Khmer script, which in turn has its origins in Brahmi script of South India. The script was adapted to suit the phonology of the Thai languages during the Sukhothai kingdom, particularly under King Ramkhamhaeng in the 13th century. Today, the Thai alphabet is a symbol of national pride and identity, used by millions of people in their daily lives from education to communication. Over the centuries, Thai language has been woven together by various influences. The Khmer Empire, with its powerful presence in Southeast Asia, left a significant mark on the Thai language. Many Khmer loanwords are still used today, particularly in vocabulary related to religion, royalty, and the arts, or even animals.
สิงโตเสือเอ้ยพูดชื่อเลยโทษสิงโตเสือช้างสร้างควายโอ้ Can you repeat it again ควายokay I know you.
Decided the adoption of Buddhism as the main religion in Thailand also brought with it a wave of Pali and Sanskrit words. Here is an example on how similar Thai and Hindi are.
Thai,
Hindi,
name,
Nam,
noun, university,
Vidyalay,
Mahavidyalay, moon,
Chan,
goddess,
Devi,
king,
Raja,
queen.
And the Thai writing system is also very special. It is technically an Abugida, not an alphabet. An Abugida is a type of writing system in which the main symbols represent consonants and vowels are indicated by diacritics or modifications to the consonant symbols. In contrast, an alphabet is a writing system where each symbol typically represents either a consonant or a vowel. In Thai, vowels can be written above, below, around the consonants, and the Thai alphabet consists of 44 consonants and 32 vowels. Don't worry, you won't need to memorize them all as one. With practice and patience, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can start recognizing and reading Thai characters. Thai is a tonal language, which means that the meanings of a word can change depending on the tones it's spoken in. There are 5 tones in Thai: mid, low, falling, high, and rising. Mastering the tones is crucial for effective communication because let's see if you can distinguish all their sounds.
ไม่ไหมหมายไม่ easy, right?
And even though it sounds pretty challenging to learn, right? Did you know that the structure of your brain changes to adapt to a tonal languages? And of course, we are getting smarter by learning it. Studies show that this even happens if you learned a tonal language as an adult, so it's never too late to learn Thai or any tonal languages. And here comes the coolest part. Let's learn some basic Thai phrases to get you started. So we have hello,
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ hello
Hi
and when you say it combined with a wife, which is a greeting manners in Thailand. And of course we have thank you.
thank you very much ขอบคุณครับ
You are welcome.
ไม่เป็นไร
Literally means no problem, and it also show the attitude of Thai people with a very chill, very relaxed, no problem, my bad right. And last one is excuse me, sorry. And for delicious Thai food, we have.
อร่อยมาก
Oh, one thing is very important in Thai. If you want to be more polite, you can add Khrap as a male and Ka as a female at the end of the sentence. And don't forget to smile when saying those because you're in Thailand, the length of smile. If you're interested in learning Thai language, try the Ling app, the best app for learning Thai that you can find. And using the link in the description box below for a 7 days free trial. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.